Hello friend, in this video today I will explain how to export the data from table, right? So in SQL server side, just I execute this query, select star from orders, so data showing here, order ID, order number and customer ID, correct? So whole data showing here look like. So I want to export this data in Excel format, right? So it's simple and easy way, like open your Excel sheet like that, and just right click on table, select first all, like if you click here in the this blank uh, box and double click and then select all the data like that, and just you have to right click. There have two option, multiple options available here, like select all, copy with header and copy, save result as. So save result as, if you click here, so they have multiple option like txt file, .csv file, right? So in desktop I'm saving this file in desktop, test data, correct? So this file is saved successfully. If you want to see, so simply in desktop this one is showing here, test data, correct? Data is showing here like that, right? This one data is showing here look like, correct? And second option, it's again simple, but simply right click. I explain the save result as, right? Page setup, print we can do here, and copy here, copy with header, right? Copy and just open Excel and the paste here, correct? Like that, right? So simply I explain here how to export the data in SQL Server in Excel side. In Excel, how to export the data. So it's very simple and easy way. I hope you understood like what I explained right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel.